Everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to quickly run how to add products using the VinRetail Pro system. Let's begin. After you've logged in your username and password, it takes you directly to the home page. By the side of the home page, you tend to see your menu bar with a lot of features, right? Then you click products. When you click product, you tend to see the list products, add product, update price, print labels, variation, import products, import opening stock, selling price, unit, category, brand and warranty. Remember, we want to add product, but because it's a new product, we tend to add the unit, category, brand and warranty first before clicking add products. So let's click the units. When you click the units, it takes you directly to the unit page where you tend to see all your products that has been on the system with their unit. So to add a new product, you click the add button, then you input the name of the unit. This simply means if you are going to sell in cartons, you're selling in piece, or you are selling single, you can just input it here. So this example, we are using butter, so we are selling a carton of butter. Just input it. Here we'll be using CB, then we'll allow decimal. And it also tells us to add as multiple of other units, but we don't have, so we're just gonna say. So automatically when you come here, you see the carton of butter, the short name, and yes, right? Then next we go to category. To add category, you tend to click the add button, then the category name. This simply means where do you want the product to be. For example, now we are using butter, it might be under provisions. Then category code, this is the number for you to be able to identify your product with ease, this particular butter. So you can just say 567, then description. So this description, you tend to infuse any way you want to use to remember this particular product, right? You can see provision, because we didn't add description here, you get. Then next we come to brand, and we are to add brand. So to add brand, we click on the plus sign here and brand name. Because we are using butter, for example, let's use blue band, green band. And what's the short description for blue band? I can just say BB. And when you save it, you automatically see BB, blue band here. Next is warranty. If you feel like if your product have warranty, you can just include it here. So you click on the add button here and input butter to description. You want to describe the product, feel free to add it here. Then duration 2. Then I can come and please here select days, month, or year. So we pick here and we save it. Now we can now go to add products. So when you click on the add product, it brings you to its own page where you tend to write your product name. Remember, we are using butter, SKU. You can pick the SKU, it's always at the back of the product. Let's pick this for example. Then barcode type, it generates automatically, right? Then you can select your units. To select your unit, you click on the plus button. Then you can select your unit. Remember, you can just type in what you stored it as, because of the too much product you might have as carton of butter. Exactly. Then under category, you can pick provision. Then if you have a relatable unit, no. Brand, you come here and click blue band. This is your business location. For you, it might just be your address or where your shop is located there. Then quality, allowed quantity when the product is almost sold out, right? So you are just to put how many pieces do you want for this system to always remind you when you are out of stock. So put 10. So when it's 10 carton of butter, it simply means we're out of stock, and it will let us know. Then warranty, come here and see blue band, 2 years. If you have an image of a product, simply click browse and add image, and you go down. Then product description, just describe your product like anything you feel like describing your product. For example, saying it has a blue cover and red, white, to enable everybody to understand way better. This is enable product description. For example, in your screen you want to see your description, you just enable it, right? Then you can enable it here. Then not for selling. For example, this product is like a launch, it's not available yet. You can enable it to let people know you're not available. You have your racks, just put the number so that for easy identification of that particular product, you can say rack 6, row series, position 4. So if you know the weight, you can include it here also. If you want to add your tax, applicable tax, you can include it. Product type, is it single, and include it. Then if you have a selling price, you want to include your selling price tax to your product, either include it or remove it. So we have exact. So here you just state in the certain amount you got that particular product. So we can say 23,400. Then is there an inclusive task? For us to say no, there's no inclusive task. When we come here, the margin percent, what profit do we want to make? Is it a 5% profit or 10% profit or 20% profit? So here we'll just say 10% profit, and you see the carton of butter is selling currently for 25,740 naira. It gives you your profit immediately and your selling price, right? So you can come here again and click in your picture, then you save and add opening stock. So when you save and add opening stock, it brings you here. You have your butter, how many quantity, that's how many pieces or cartons available. So you can write 50. Remember your cost price as 24,500, right? So you can input our expiring date, and you can see immediately that we have 1,170,000 naira. That is for 50 pieces, right? So we save it. And it brings you to your product list. So you can see your butter here. Achimia Miracle, that's my business location. The purchase price, this is the selling price, and we have 50 cartons of butter, right? Single, mission, and blue band, which is the brand. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this was helpful. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.